Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind.
Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So this is my lovely client and this is her starter locks, and today we're going to be doing invisible locks over starter locks. So I'm going to show y'all two different ways on how I do this method. So as you can see, I'm just going to take one of her locks and I am going to make sure I put that locking gel all over her roots, and just to make sure that they're extra tight at the root or extra crispy, you know, you get that tight neat look. You want to take that comb and pretty much I comb it on all four sides just to make sure I got her new growth and roots kind of slicked down. Then I'm going to take the comb and kind of coil it at the root, and then I'm going to pull it out, and then I'm going to continue to rotate clockwise, do it clockwise toward the right, and then palm roll it just to make sure that everything is nice and neat, and just making sure that it is rotating in the direction that I need it to go. So after I do that, I am going to take that clip and clip that out the way so it won't get in my way. And then I'm going to do the second lock the same exact way. And with some of the locks, you guys, just depending on how many they have on each row, you may have to combine like two or three of them just to make sure everything is nice and even in the front, because once I got to the front, I definitely wanted to make sure there were only two. So somewhere in between, I connected three together. It really just depends on how many locks your client has. So yes, I am going to continue to do the same thing. Just comb it at the root and then kind of comb coil at the root, kind of take it out and continue to palm roll. And then we are going to go ahead and add the Cuban twist hair. So like I said, it's two different methods to doing this. You're definitely going to get the same outcome for both of the types of ways to do it. So now, as you can see, I am going to take that Cuban twist hair and I'm going to take one piece and I am going to rotate it the same exact direction to the right, and I'm going to do the other one the same way. So it's like I start at the root and I'm going to twist it to the right just like I did that lock, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And then I am going to go ahead and cross it over, right over left, and twist it while I am twisting to kind of give you that rope twist effect. And the reason why I do that is because it just holds better and tighter and it's neater. And yeah, so pretty much that is what I do, and I'm going to do that all the way to the bottom. And she kind of wanted the bob look, so once I get to the bottom, you kind of want to just go ahead and begin to fold that twist that you have to the same length as the other twist, and I am going to go ahead and wrap it around the twist that you just seen me do. I'm going to match it up just to make sure that it is even. And then I'm going to take a rubber band and I'm going to wrap that around just to give it that effect. And it's going to look just like the rest of them. So yeah, just make sure y'all taking y'all time measuring up, making sure that it's even and at the length that your client wants it. So yeah, that's all to it. So I'm going to show you another way to do it. That way it's just the same, whatever works for you. So yeah, y'all can just continue watching, doing what I'm doing, and I'm gonna come back when it's time to show you the next method.
Trickle on all the leaves. I felt a little pain, but I felt a lot of joy. So I know to see and to breathe and to feel only means one thing. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I relax. Wonder chance. I am blessed with another chance. I am blessed with another chance. I am blessed with another chance. I'm blessed with another chance. I am blessed with another chance. I am. And every day, always on my head high, and my chest high, but that don't mean I don't cry. Feeling like la 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 la. My enemies, I'ma say bye bye. Energy feeling like I can't fly. I know he loves me, that's why. So I still believe, cause I know I got life, so I can't fight. And I know, say I rely on the hope of a good time. Hope of a good time. It's a choice, so yeah, I know it. To see the world and not feel hopeless. I know, yes, I know that. Blessed with another chance, I am. 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 I'm blessed with another chance, I am. Blessed with another chance, I am.
Okay, so this is another way that you can do your locks if you have trouble putting the Cuban twist hair at the root of where you retwisted your locks. So pretty much I am going to do the same as that thing that I did in the previous clips of me showing you how I take that comb. I jam it on all the sides, take the comb, smooth it out, and then kind of comb coil it at the root and clip the hair out the way. The only difference, what I'm going to do in this method is, instead of putting that Cuban twist hair at the root, I am going to go ahead and twist down the locks that I just rotated counterclockwise, clockwise, and I'm going to cross them over at least right over the left, and I'm going to cross it over like 1 or 2 times, and then I will add the Cuban twist hair to both the locks. And you're going to pretty much do the same method, but instead of doing it at the root, you're just going to do it a little lower than at the root, and it gives you the same exact results, y'all. So you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about. I am talking faster than what the clip is going, but you're definitely going to see. Just take that after you comb coil both sides. You're going to twist it like twice down, rope twist. Make sure you are twisting as you're twisting, and then you're going to go ahead and add that Cuban twist hair like after that twist you did on the regular hair or the lock, and then you're going to rotate it to the right and do the same direction, and then twist as you're twisting to make that rope twist, if that makes sense. So if this video helps, make sure you give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to have more tutorials for you on the way. Talk to you later, trendsetters.
Yeah. Hey, what does it profit a man if he gain the whole world but lose his own soul? And somebody tell me, like, what do I profit for gaining the world? The diamonds and pearls is all vanity. Hey, B-double-A. Yeah. Can somebody tell me, like, what do I profit for gaining the world? They losing their soul to see by the money, the diamonds, the pearls. It can't give you peace, it can't give you joy. It can't help your soul, it only destroys. Satan don't love you, here to deceive you. This love of this world to mislead you. We got the victory, he won't defeat you. I keep my Bible on me cause it's lethal. Time to mount up on my wings like an eagle. No, you can't hide from the Lord because he see you. Yeah. Alpha Omega, beginning and end. Yeah. I'm stuck with you to the end, fishing for souls, real men. Make me authentic, no, I can't pretend. Tryna blend in, that'll lead me to sin. You free me from that, so I won't let it in. Offer me stuff, tryna get me approved. I'm sold out to you, told them there is no room. Walk over sin like I walk on the moon. High in the spirit, but ain't taking shrooms. You cleaning my temple, I give you the broom. Holy Spirit inside, so I give you the rooms. Offer me things of this world, I'ma pass, cause I understand nothing on earth to last. Yeah, tell me why would I sell out for a bag when there's treasures in heaven that you never had? No place for a thief or a robber could grab. Satan a liar, the truth to be told. He offer you things in return for your soul. Deception is real, so I'm letting you know. Don't stand before God and act like you don't know. Can somebody tell me like what do I profit for gaining the world? They losing their soul to see by the money, the diamonds, the pearls. It can't give you peace, it can't give you joy. It can't help your soul, it only destroys. Satan don't love you here to deceive you. This love of this world to mislead you. We got the victory, he won't defeat you. I keep my Bible on me cause it's lethal. Time to mount up on my wings like an eagle. No, you can't hide from the Lord because he see you, yeah.
You can't hide from the Lord cause he see you. He the only true one that can free you. Can't sit at no tables with none of them demons. They try to get close cause they just wanna be you. Living my best days, I'm with Yahweh, can't do express ways. Kill the flesh to just build up my spirit, man. Stronger now so I don't need a chest day. Can somebody tell me like what do I profit for gaining the world? I can't give up my soul for a girl. I don't care how they judge or talk, I'ma still preach the word with these diamonds and pearls. This the message right here for the weak. Say you struggling with finding God. You been hiding, you just need to see. Tell the truth, I done been there before, I can't lie to my brothers. It's been things I done hid undercover. I was walking a whole life of sin and I didn't even know it was hurting my mother. I was deceived by lies, I didn't even know how much peace I could get from above us. Now I'm gonna worship the Son of Man, cause the Son of Man gave another chance. So this one I just gotta say.
Can somebody tell me like what do I profit for gaining the world? They losing their soul to see by the money, the diamonds, the pearls. It can't give you peace, it can't give you joy. It can't help your soul, it only destroys. Satan don't love you here to deceive you. This love of this world to mislead you. We got the victory, he won't defeat you. I keep my Bible on me cause it's lethal. Time to mount up on my wings like an eagle. No, you can't hide from the Lord because he see you, yeah.